Looking for the biggest animals in the world? Then you're in the right place. Animals come in all shapes, sizes, and types. So when trying to understand what the largest animals are, it's important to specify exactly how we define largest and which types of animals we're looking at. Are we looking at the tallest, longest, heaviest of all animals? Or focusing specifically on the biggest land animals, largest living animals, or including all the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth at any time? In this video, we will show you the 10 biggest animals in the world by type. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. With that being said, let's begin. Number 10. Polar bear. The polar bears are a powerful symbol of the strength and endurance of the Arctic. It weighs about half a ton and measures 9 feet. They are very strong swimmers, and their large front paws, which they use to paddle, are slightly webbed. The polar bear hibernates during the winter, and due to climate change and the rising temperatures in the poles, it's classified as a vulnerable species. Polar bears spend over 50% of their time hunting for food. A polar bear might catch only 1 or 2 out of 10 seals it hunts, depending on the time of year and other variables. Their diet mainly consists of ringed and bearded seals because they need large amounts of fat to survive. Number 9. Crocodile. This big reptile that inhabits marshy areas can measure up to 26 feet and weigh up to 1.5 tons. Crocodiles are the largest and the heaviest of present-day reptiles. Crocodiles are mostly nocturnal animals. They are predators and spend most of their time in the water, although they are also known to make journeys of several kilometers over land. On the ground, the crocodiles are not very agile, but in the water, they can be really fast. Crocodiles are carnivores, which means they eat only meat. In the wild, they feast on fish, birds, frogs, and crustaceans. At the zoo, they eat small animals that have already been killed for them, such as rats, fish, or mice. Number 8. Anaconda. Anacondas are semi-aquatic snakes found in tropical South America. They are some of the largest snakes in the world and are known for their swimming ability. With a weight of 440 pounds and a length of nearly 26 feet, the anaconda is classified in 8 places on the biggest animals in the world list. Anacondas have thick necks and narrow but large heads. All anacondas have nostrils and eyes on top of their heads, which allow them to see above the water while remaining mostly submerged. They have a thick black stripe that runs from the eye to the jaw. It feeds on birds, tapirs, alligators, and even deer. Number 7. Giraffe. Giraffes are the world's tallest mammals. This is because of their towering legs and long necks. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than many humans, somewhere about 19 feet. These long legs allow giraffes to run as fast as 35 miles an hour over short distances and cruise comfortably at 10 miles an hour over longer distances. It can weigh between 1,653 pounds and 1.5 tons. Giraffes prefer to eat new shoots and leaves, mainly from the thorny acacia tree. Giraffes have beautiful spotted coats. While no 2 individuals have exactly the same pattern, giraffes from the same area appear similar. Number 6. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth and have distinctly massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. Elephants are grayish to brown in color, and their body hair is sparse and coarse. They are found most often in savannas, grasslands, and forests, but occupy a wide range of habitats, including deserts, swamps, and highlands in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa and Asia. The elephant is 22 feet long and 11 feet high, and weighs approximately 6 tons. Elephants eat about 440 pounds of food per day. The brain of this mammal weighs 11 pounds, which is why these animals have a good memory. Number 5. White shark. Also called great white shark or white pointer, and one of the most powerful and dangerous predatory sharks in the world. Its scientific name is Carcharodon carcharias, and just like its relative, it inhabits warm waters, but also can be found in temperate seas. They are amazing hunters, armed with strong muscles, good eyesight, and a keen sense of smell. Each tooth is designed to cut flesh and can easily puncture and shatter bone. The largest fully grown white sharks do not exceed 6.4 meters in length. Unlike most animal species, females are larger than males. Newborn white sharks feed on fishes and other sharks. As they reach adulthood, their prey includes sea turtles, seals, sea lions, porpoises, dolphins, and small whales. Number 4. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the largest shark, and indeed largest of any fishes alive today. The size of sharks is really amazing, no matter the species. Of all, the largest is the whale shark, or Rhynchodon typus, which lives in tropical areas. Fortunately for most sea dwellers, their favorite meal is plankton. They scoop these tiny little plants and animals up, along with any small fish that happen to be around, with their colossal, gaping mouths while swimming close to the water's surface. Number 3. Giant squid. The giant squid remains largely a mystery to scientists, despite being the biggest invertebrate on Earth. The largest of these elusive giants ever found measured 59 feet in length and weighed nearly a ton. A giant squid has a mantle, 8 arms, and 2 longer tentacles. The giant squid has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, measuring some 10 inches in diameter. This size allows them to detect objects in the lightless depths where most other animals would see nothing. About the feeding of the giant squid, recent studies have shown their diet likely consists of fish, shrimp, and other squids, and some suggest they might even attack and eat small whales. Number 2. Fin whale. Its scientific name is Balænoptera physalis, and it's also called finback whale or common rorqual, and formerly known as herring whale or razorback whale. It's a cetacean belonging to the parvorder of baleen whales. It's the second largest species on Earth after the blue whale. Although it's a bit smaller than the blue whale, it measures no less than 90 feet and weighs up to 70 tons. The fin whale's body is long and slender, colored dark gray on top. It feeds on krill, small crustaceans, squid, and fish. Like all large whales, this species was heavily hunted during the 20th century, which means it's an endangered species. The fin whale is usually distinguished by its tall spout, long back, prominent dorsal fin, and asymmetrical coloration. The animal's large size aids in identification, and it's usually only confused with the blue whale, the sei whale, or in warmer waters, bride's whale. Number 1. Blue whale. The biggest animal ever to live on the Earth is the adult blue whale. The blue whale is an enormous species of whale that is found in subtropical and polar waters worldwide. These animals are bigger than any dinosaur that's ever lived, and they are far bigger than the largest living land animal on the planet today. The blue whale is the biggest animal on the planet, weighing up to 400,000 pounds, approximately 33 elephants, and reaching up to 98 feet in length. An adult blue whale weighs in as much as 15 school buses. The heart size of a whale is the one of a small car, and during the main feeding season, it consumes around 7,936 pounds of krill per day. Although it's known as the blue whale, it can be other colors, such as gray. It's the loudest animal on Earth, even louder than a jet engine, also can vocalize underwater, swim great distances during the year, and has 1 calf at a time. With the exception of females with their young, blue whales are solitary animals that are known to occasionally gather in loose groups to feed. Something interesting about the blue whales is the fact that apparently just 1 breath from a fully grown adult blue whale will produce enough air to fill nearly 2,000 balloons. The blue whale population in Antarctica was drastically reduced by commercial whaling, which started in the southern Atlantic Ocean in 1904. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.